In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Cisco Packet Tracer. So what you want to do is go to Google and type in Cisco Packet Tracer. And then the first result that comes out is Cisco Packet Tracer Networking Simulation Tool from Cisco Networking Academy. And that's the link you want to press. And you're going to be redirected to this website. Now, if you scroll down a little, you see it says download for free, and then simply enroll in one of our introductory courses below to download the latest version of Packet Tracer. So what you have to do, you scroll down a little more, and as you can see it says download and get started. Now, in order to get started, you have to view any of these three courses. I'm going to go with this first one, so getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. You click on view course, and then you should be automatically redirected, but if you're not, you have to press on this Skills for All link over here. You just click on it, and you are redirected to this website. And as you can see, you can then select your language. So in my case, I'm going to select English, but you can use some other languages as well. And then click on Get Started. Now, once you click on Get Started, you're going to have to log in, so you can log in with email and password or via Google or Cisco Networking Academy. I'm going to log in with Google, so press on Google and then select your account. Now you have to press continue and then wait for a moment for this to load up. And as you can see, you have to select your country of residence. Now I'm going to find my country of residence. You can also press the letter of the first letter of your country, and it's gonna go to that letter. So United States. Select year of birth. You have to find your year of birth. It's 1995, and then select a month, which is August, and then you go to continue. And then your email is confirmed. You have to put in your first name and your last name. Press continue. And then, as you can see, you are redirected to this other website where you have to read and agree to terms and conditions. Over here, you have to then press I have read and agree to terms and conditions, and you can choose whether you'd like to receive updates about the program to your email or not. I'm not going to press this at this very moment, but I'm gonna press this because you have to, and then you click accept and continue. And as you can see, again, you are redirected inside to this course. Now, this is a course that I recommend you take. I've already done it with my original account, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm just going to show you how to download it. Now, it's very simple. Once you're in here, you just simply scroll down a bit more, and then you see 1.0.3, download Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, you press on this link over here, and then you're going to be redirected again to the Resource Hub, where you can get the Cisco Packet Tracer to download it for free. Now you scroll down here where it says Learning Resources, and step 1 is to download the version of Packet Tracer you require. Now, in my case, this is going to be the Packet Tracer 8.2.1 Windows 64-bit, but if you're using Ubuntu or Mac OS, this might be the one you want to click on. So I'm going to click on Windows, and then you just simply click on it, and as you can see, it starts downloading. And that is it. That's how you download Packet Tracer from Cisco, and I hope this video helped you out.